Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to convert Shiba Inu to USDT on KuCoin. In order to convert Shiba Inu to USDT on KuCoin, you have to first of all log into your KuCoin account. When you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, what next you have to do is you need to go to the convert section, which is in the main home page. Then you'll be able to see you need to convert it from what to what. So here you need to type in Shiba Inu. So type in Shiba Inu. When you locate that, you need to tap on it. Next, you need to convert it to USDT. So select USDT on the to section. When you have actually done with this, enter the exact amount and then the converted amount will appear right at the bottom. And this is basically how you can convert Shiba Inu to USDT on KuCoin. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.